market does something like that, a pullback to 20-day, and we grab the liquidity. I want you to see for yourself, how can this form? Yeah, right, you imagine, right, we grab the liquidity, 20-day moving average, and we grab it back up. This is going to be absolutely beautiful if we have a pullback like that. This will be healthy. It will be healthy. But if we are truly crashing, and some of you are dying for the crash, you have to wait. 5-day has to trend down. Your 20-day has to trend down back under your 200-day moving average again. Your upper Bollinger has to start trending down as well. So there are many more steps before a major crash can happen. So some of you are dying for a crash just because we are at a high. You cannot be thinking like that, right? You have to think before you get to step number 5. You need to think from step 1 to 4. So you cannot be skipping any steps. There are no shortcuts to this, right? And likewise, if the market wants to get to step 5, it has to accomplish step 1, 2, 3, 4 before step 5. So understand that, right? You have to snap yourself out of this sort of hallucinations or hope trading. You have to come back to terms to actually trading properly, making money to feed your family, and achieving your daily objective.